going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to the dyno, but unfortunately I got a nail in my tire, so I plugged the tire, but I cannot do a dyno run with a plugged tire, so I'm heading straight to the dealer, getting my tire switched out, and then we will head to the dyno. It's about an hour away. So with that being said, I'll give you a nice B-roll. Hopefully they have something nice on the floor at the dealer. So let's head there and I'll catch you inside. Okay guys, so as you can tell, I didn't do much recording in the dealership. I was actually talking to some of the guys, so I did do a little B-roll as y'all could see, but that was my first one, so don't kill me on it. So I have my car, as you can tell. We are all set to head to the dyno, so let's head that way. It's gonna be about an hour away, and then I'll catch you in the dyno. so you've seen it here first. We just left the dyno. Man, the numbers are looking great. I will put them up onto the screen. We are at 440 horsepower, like 340, 350 of torque. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I took a couple pictures, but I think I left the actual slip that he gave me on the counter when I was talking to him. So I do have to go back and get my car tuned again once I let him know what I liked and what I didn't like about the tune, because again, all tunes are different with how you drive. So with that being said, I do want to go back and do a little bit of torque managing, maybe get a little bit more. I had to get that new tire because I got the flat, but I am getting all new tires because I want better, more stickier tires so we can grip the road and run, because I want to head to the track this summer. I think April is the first, if I'm not mistaken, it's the first week in April. It is open, and that's what I have some of my Mopar family going to, so we will definitely have a video up for that. I just got in a microphone so I can start videoing outside of the car, and you won't hear the wind and all that messing up my my sound and my footage, because as you can see in some of the videos, it is a little messed up when I'm driving, trying to have you hear the supercharger outside of the car. But yeah, with that being said, I'm extremely happy. Nothing went wrong. Everything is looking great. Like I said, 440 horsepower. That is fucking great for a V6. Talking V6. So I think I'm gonna be running with the scat packs, because to the crank, that's how they have a little bit more to the crank, but my car is lighter. And that was to the wheel, not to the crank. So I think scat packs are gonna have trouble with me. But let me stop talking, and I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the likes, I appreciate the comments, and I appreciate the subscribers. Keep subscribing. We're gonna have more content. I want to do a couple more builds. I've been on Copart looking at builds to do. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.